Keith, we've been talking this half hour about how it's going to be easier to travel. A lot more people are going to be hitting the road or flying somewhere. But honestly, the way the weather is right now, why leave Maine?
Yeah, and we get into that season in the summer usually where we kind of say, well, why bother? And we're just starting that a little bit early. And temperatures today are cooler than yesterday, as we thought would be the case with that onshore flow. But, you know, I don't think it's been a huge detriment. It's still pretty nice out. It's a little coolish in Rockland and Bar Harbor. But as you get farther away from the ocean, your temperature improves. Berlin sitting at 80, 74 in Rangeley. And that is, again, just that onshore flow. The water temperature, you know, around 55 degrees or so. And so that's going to cool you down pretty noticeably. That wind actually continues all the way into the mountains. It's just that that marine layer of cool air can't get over the terrain. So they're getting kind of blocked by it. That's why those spots are warmer on the other side of the higher terrain. As far as the satellite goes, though, just beautiful and sunny. And I think that's the difference is today's onshore flow would feel a lot different if it were cloudy, but with the sun, I think it's almost a non-issue. It stays sunny through the rest of today, and it'll be clear through most of tonight as well, at least the first half of the night. After midnight, we'll probably start to see some increasing clouds come in, and Friday's definitely a cloudier day compared to today and really compared to yesterday as well. There'll be some pop-up showers that come through in the afternoon. Temperatures along the coast will probably get warmer than they do today, and especially just inland and into Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor. We'll get into the 70s, 80s into Freiburg, and then those pop-up showers come through. I don't think everybody gets in on that action. Now, the improvement in the forecast comes on Saturday. It looked quite unsettled, and we were having a hard time nailing down when those showers would come through. There's still a chance for showers on Saturday. I just want to be clear on that. But there aren't as many of them around on the models, and that's a good sign. It looks like they try to favor the afternoon, which makes them really more like pop-up showers. Temperatures inland into the 70s before that happens, and then we wait on Sunday for this front to come through. I think we're going to hold that front off long enough. It doesn't come through until the afternoon and early evening. Could be some strong storms with that, but as we hold that front, we really get into the warm sector here. And as we talked about yesterday, I'm very, very bullish on this compared to maybe anything else you might see, whether you check an app or even the computer models themselves. But I just think this pattern is very ripe over southwestern Maine to get quite warm. 90 I'm going for in Sanford and Concord, 84 in Portland, 85 in Augusta. And that's with some humidity as well, a little bit sticky. We'll watch those storms. That'll be later in the day. And again, those could be strong, especially if we do get into the mid-80s to around 90 degrees. Sunny and much cooler on Monday, bright and dry and warmer on Tuesday, and then back to around 80 or so on Wednesday. So even our down trend behind a cold front pad is still at or above average.
Nope, savor every minute of it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.